Um, Hi guys. Today I will introduce some academic papers that tackle fascinating challenges in the field of artificial intelligence and natural language processing. The first thing it's telling us is that improving my type skill, that you're still investors in rootability, and then secondly, understood on possible scale differently detected. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of cutting-edge research. And the paper SALMONN introduces a new approach to help artificial intelligence AI agents better understand and process sound. The problem it aims to solve is that AI agents often struggle to understand speech, audio events, and music. Um, um, the paper proposes a solution called SALMONN, which combines a language model with speech and audio encoders. This allows the AI agent to directly process and understand audio inputs, leading to better performance on various tasks. SALMONN also has the ability to translate speech to different languages, fill in missing information, tell stories based on audio, and reason about speech and audio together. This paper is significant because it improves AI's ability to understand and interact with sound, which has many practical applications in areas like speech recognition and music analysis. The paper ToolChain addresses the problem of efficiently navigating the action space in large language models for planning and decision-making tasks. It proposes a new algorithm called ToolChain Y, which uses an A-star search-based planning approach. The paper also introduces the concept of formulating the action space as a decision tree, which helps to reduce errors and expand the search space. ToolChain Bio outperforms existing methods in terms of performance and efficiency on planning and reasoning tasks. This paper is important because it provides a solution to improve the decision-making capabilities of LLM-based agents. The paper Fast and Accurate Factual Inconsistency Detection over Long Documents addresses the problem of finding mistakes in long documents created by AI models. These mistakes can mislead people and make them, lose trust in the AI models. So, and the paper introduces a new model called Scale, which is very good at finding these mistakes. Scale uses a special technique called chunking to analyze the documents more efficiently and accurately. It also has a clever way of explaining its decisions by finding relevant parts of the original text. The paper also introduces a new data set called Screen Eval, which is the longest data set for finding mistakes in conversations. Overall, this paper is important because it helps us trust AI models more and makes them better at creating accurate documents. The paper Ask Me in English instead is about how well large language models, which LLMs said, can answer healthcare questions in different languages. The authors wanted to see if the LLMs gave correct and consistent answers and if those answers could be verified. They created a framework called Excelling Eval to evaluate the LLMs and a benchmark called Excelling Health to test them in English, Spanish, Chinese, and Hindi. They found that the LLMs perform differently in each language and that they need to be improved to work well in all languages. This is important because everyone should be able to get accurate healthcare information no matter what language they speak. The paper Creative Robot Tool used with large language models introduces a system called RoboTool that helps robots use tools in creative ways. And the problem it aims to solve is how to enable robots to understand and follow instructions in natural language while also considering physical constraints and long-term planning. The paper's main contribution is the development of RoboTool, which uses large language models to interpret instructions and generate executable code for controlling robots. This allows robots to understand the task at hand, come up with strategies, calculate parameters, and translate the plans into code. Overall, the paper is significant because it helps robots become more versatile and capable in completing complex tasks. The paper, Quality Diversity Through AI Feedback, introduces a new approach to generating and evaluating creative writing using artificial intelligence. The authors address the challenge of measuring the quality and diversity of text in creative domains. They propose a method called Quality Diversity Through AI Feedback, QDIF, which combines language models with quality diversity search algorithms. This allows the AI to generate diverse and high quality text while also receiving feedback on its performance. The authors demonstrate the effectiveness of QDAIF in creative writing tasks and show that it can produce results that are comparable to human evaluation. This paper is important because it offers a new way to use AI in creative domains and opens up possibilities for generating high quality and diverse text. The paper Reliable Academic Conference Question Answering addresses the need for a smart system that can efficiently answer researchers' questions and keep them updated on the latest advancements in academic conferences. The authors have made several important contributions. First, they created a data set called Conference QA, which contains information from 7 academic conferences and includes nearly 100 question-answer pairs for each conference. Second, they developed a retrieval method that takes advantage of the structured format of the data set to improve the accuracy of the answers. And finally, they conducted experiments to validate the data set and the retrieval method. This paper is significant because it provides a valuable resource for researchers and helps them stay informed about the latest developments in their field. The paper Conversational Financial Information Retrieval Model introduces a new model designed to help people find specific financial information more easily. The authors noticed that existing language models struggle with finance-related queries due to the unique constraints and regulations in the finance domain. To address this, they developed Confer, which is specifically tailored for finance-related questions and answers. The paper also explores efficient ways to fine-tune the model for better query classification by synthesizing finance-specific question-answer pairs and evaluating different approaches. Confirm aims to improve the accuracy and effectiveness of financial information retrieval. The paper Enhancing Health Data Interoperability with Large Language Models is about using advanced computer models to help solve a problem in the healthcare field. The problem is that different computer systems and platforms in healthcare don't always understand each other's data. This makes it difficult to share and exchange important health information. The paper suggests using a special kind of computer model called a large language model, LLM, to help translate the data into a standardized format that all systems can understand. The authors tested this idea using a data set of medical records and found that the LLM was very accurate in transforming the data. This could make it much easier for doctors and hospitals to share and use important health information. The paper Auto-Instruct introduces a method for improving the instructions given to language models. These models are used for various tasks in natural language processing, but providing effective instructions can be time-consuming and subjective. Auto-Instruct solves this problem by automatically generating diverse candidate instructions using the language model itself, and then uses a scoring model to select the best instruction for a given task. This method outperforms human-written instructions and existing approaches in tasks that are different from the training data. In simpler terms, Auto-Instruct helps language models understand what they need to do better, making them more useful in real-world applications. Okay, that's all for today. We were in today's actions, and then after the fact that we're $2,627 million that have actually filtered in, and then really quickly these papers contribute to advancing AI in various domains and have practical implications for speech recognition, decision-making, document accuracy, healthcare information, robot capabilities, creative writing. If you enjoyed my video, I'd appreciate if you could, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me create more content. Thank you. See you tomorrow.